Hey guys, so last week I posted a video on the forums and on Facebook asking if any other 2021 F150 owner had a mesh around this wire here, because my 2017 had it, but the 2021 does not. And what that wire mesh does is it just lines the wire so that you don't hear this noise vibrating at a much faster frequency when you're listening to music. Any amount of bass at all of the subwoofer will just cause this to rattle, and it sounds like the whole headliner's loose when it's not. It's just this little wire. So my fix to it today is going to be very simple and cheap. I have a little bit of foam tape left over from when I put my tonneau cover on, and I just cut it down in size. And when the rear window is all the way open, all you have to do is apply enough force against this little rubber fixture, and that will keep the wire stationary, and that way you don't hear this again rattling around constantly when you're driving. So my fix is, I don't know, like 5 cents, and it's quick and easy, but I'm sure someone out there could probably come up with a better solution. But in either case, I just want you to be aware that if you're hearing a rattling noise constantly in the back of your cab and you think it's a panel or something else, check the wire to the rear sliding window. This is a defrost cable. Check it first, because the answer that I received is that no other 2021 F150 owner has the mesh lining that goes around that. So there you go.